Pasta is one of the easiest meals to make, but a few simple mistakes can stop it tasting its best. In this video, I'll show you 5 common pasta mistakes and how to avoid them. Cooking pasta in a small pot doesn't give it enough room to cook properly. The pasta can stick together and cook unevenly. Use a large pot with plenty of boiling water so the pasta has space to move around. Many people forget to add salt to the cooking water. Salt helps give the pasta flavor as it cooks. Add the salt after the water comes to a boil, then add the pasta. Cooking pasta for too long makes it soft and mushy. Follow the cooking time on the packet, but start checking it a minute or two early. The pasta should be tender but still have a slight bite. Before draining the pasta, save about half a cup of the cooking water. The starchy water helps the sauce coat the pasta better and creates a smoother, creamier sauce. Some people add oil after draining the pasta to stop it sticking together. But the oil also makes it harder for the sauce to stick to the pasta. Instead, mix the pasta with the sauce straight away while it's still hot. Avoid these 5 simple mistakes, and your pasta can taste even better every time. Small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Creative Recipes for easy recipes, cooking tips, and everyday kitchen inspiration.